In 2012, the automakers approached API, that is the American Petroleum Institute, and sought their help in developing a new oil certification standard that would meet the needs of modern engine designs today and going forward into tomorrow. What are those new certification standards and how are they going to impact your shop? That's the topic for today's Mighty Minute. Effective May 1st, there are new oil standards in place for the oils you use in your customers' gasoline-powered cars and light trucks. They are ILSAC GF-6A, ILSAC GF-6B, and API SP. The process to develop these three new standards took over 7 years to complete and includes 7 new tests that oils submitted for certification must meet in addition to those that were already in place. These new tests address some of the issues that the manufacturers have been faced with, like timing chain wear, special standards for low viscosity oils, and some means to combat the effects of LSPI, or low speed pre-ignition. What do you need to know to properly service your customers? First, begin to roll over your internal stock of oil as soon as practical so that you can be assured you're offering your customers the best oil solution for their vehicles. Next, make sure that your technicians are advised of the change and are encouraged to use the correct oil for the vehicle application, noting the brand of oil, the viscosity of oil, and the certification standard met on the repair order. GF-6A oils are backward compatible with GF-5 oils and older standards in viscosities as low as 0W20. Oils certified to this standard will use the familiar starburst symbol on the front of the bottle. GF-6B oils are backward compatible only with 0W16 oils. The standard is intended for gasoline engines requiring low viscosity lubricants like 0W16, as well as the future 0W12 and 0W8 oils we'll soon be seeing. These are easily distinguished by the new SHIELD certification symbol. The third new standard, API SP, is backwards compatible with any of the previous API service certifications. But it is important to note that while the new ILSAC standards will also meet API SP, not all API SP oils will meet the new ILSAC standards. You must be sure to use the right oil for the vehicle application. These oils will continue to use the API donut on the back of the bottle with SP in the upper portion. Now, additionally, a note on the unique GM certification, Dexos 1 Gen 2. We've been told to expect a change in that standard sometime mid-year 2021 to Dexos 1 Gen 3. You know, there's an awful lot to keep up with today in the automotive field, even with something as routine as an oil change. But you can take some of the guesswork out of that task by using quality products like the mighty Engine Guard line of lubricants and filters. Thanks for watching.